وذكر فإن الذكرى تنفع المؤمنين.
So, sister, what's the background story to?
Well, I've always known that Jesus was just a prophet.
Excellent.
I know that. No one told me. I know. He prayed to the Father. He never said he was this. He never said he was
Allahu Akbar.
God.
Amazing.
He never said. He never said that.
He never said it.
And I've had dreams about Muhammad. To be honest, I never told you that. I've had dreams about Muhammad.
SubhanAllah.
Many dreams.
Can you describe some of them, or the most prominent one?
Yeah, when I was in the hospital having a heart operation, Muhammad was surrounding me. It was all Muhammad. They were all laughing.
Like they're happy around you.
Happy.
So you felt that when you were in a time of distress there.
Yeah.
SubhanAllah. And so you had that experience, which must have been quite amazing.
Yeah.
And what attracted you to Islam? Was after you felt you just feel like this must be the truth. This is the right path.
Yeah.
Excellent. So you know we believe in Jesus Christ.
Yes.
He's a messenger of God for
he's
us.
a messenger,
And we love him as Muslims.
Yes.
Okay, we don't reject him or anything like that.
No.
But we only worship one God.
Yeah.
The one who Jesus worshipped when he said there's only
She said that to me.
the only true
pray to the Father.
the only true God is the Father, Jesus said.
Yeah, he prayed to the Father.
And I know, that's fine. And we call him Allah in Arabic. And Jesus in Aramaic would have also called him Allah, which is in Aramaic. Very similar, the words there. So, sister, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm 84.
84. Allahu Akbar. Look how Allah has saved you at this age here. When a person accepts Islam,
My husband is 86. He doesn't believe in
Allah, may Allah guide him, make you a means of guidance for him as well, inshallah. So I know it's a hot day, inshallah, we won't delay any further. Our young brother, he'll do the shahada with you, okay? The shahada is the testimony of faith. It's to say that there is no one worthy of worship except Allah, and that the Prophet Muhammad, peace upon him, is his final messenger. And Abraham and Jesus and Moses are all messengers of God.
They were all messengers. Yeah, I know that.
Allahu Akbar.
I know that. Anyway, no one. I just know it.
You just know it.
I know it. I don't need anyone to tell me. I know.
Ayan, inshallah, if you want to do the shahada for the sister, inshallah. So he's going to do it in Arabic. He's going to say it slowly. And if you repeat after him. And then he's going to do it in English as well, inshallah.
So we'll start with the Arabic. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasulu. Yeah, Rasulu.
So this is the first time doing it, so bear with us, inshallah. So if you say in English as well, so we translate for you as well.
I bear witness that none has the right to be worshipped except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is his final messenger.
Allahu Akbar. Sister, welcome to Islam. Welcome to Islam. All of your previous sins have been forgiven. You start a new life as a Muslim, and this is the assurance that we have of paradise. Every single Muslim will enter into paradise.
A friend told me once you can't be a Muslim unless you're born.
Incorrect.
That's incorrect.
Absolutely incorrect. You can become a Muslim at any age, from any nationality, any background. This religion doesn't discriminate on any of those grounds. So I'll get that for you. So once accepting the shahada, which is the first step here, then a person like yourself, mashallah, a new Muslim, starts to pray, charity, visit Mecca, fasting Ramadan, all these things that you can do. And we have a little gift for you here. We have a Qur'an in English here, a slightly larger Qur'an. It shows you the prayer and everything. This is a prayer mat, a special prayer mat, which has the Arabic words and everything in there written down, so you can help you on that journey. And if it's okay with you, we can take a contact number, so some sisters can get in touch with you.
Yeah.
Someone you can call to ask for any questions, anything you want to clarify. We can take that off you just to help you with that. Okay. How do you feel, sister?
Yeah, I feel good.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. How long has this desire been to become Muslim? For a long time. Allah. We're very happy for you. We're very happy for you. If we had some sisters here, we'd ask them to come and give you a hug. Obviously, in Islam, the opposite genders, I'm sure your husband would mind as well.
No.
So, but we'll take your number and we'll get in touch with you. Okay. Sisters, the sister that became Muslim at 84, mashallah.
Subhanallah.
Mashallah, give her a hug, mashallah.
Give her a hug and welcome to
Islam.
Muslim, yeah, Islam.
She's just became Muslim right now at the age of 84.
84.
Mashallah, the sister had dreams about the Prophet Muhammad.
Yeah, welcome, Mama.
SubhanAllah.
Oh.
She just became Muslim, mashallah. Mashallah, the sister here. Sister, welcome. Congratulate the sister, mashallah. Mashallah, she just became Muslim, mashallah. Mashallah, she's 84, mashallah. Allah just saved her from Jahannam, mashallah.
Oh, mashallah.
Alhamdulillah.
I'm so emotional.
Mashallah, where are you from, sisters, mashallah? So, Indonesia. Alhamdulillah. One of the biggest population of Muslims in the world, mashallah, in Indonesia. Alhamdulillah. So you have a big family now of billions of Muslims, mashallah. Anywhere in the world you go, you say Salamu Alaikum, you have sisters there ready for you. Mashallah. Your husband's
Thank
there,
you very much.
inshallah.
Have
We'll
a
get
nice
in touch
day,
with you.
Take care.
Take it, inshallah. Take it, sister. Salamu Alaikum. Salaam.